Hi, I'm Sharon Amezcua, and I'm the Chief Growth Officer of S2A Modular, an emerging modular residential and commercial manufacturer that has a goal of building 35 factories across America in 36 months. The company currently owns 4 pieces of land on which 1 modular factory is already built, 2 are being built, and S2A will break ground on the 4th piece of land in the 3rd quarter of this year. We also currently have a letter of intent on a 5th piece of land and are in negotiations with another 20 locations simultaneously. We are seeking 30 to 40 acres of shovel-ready land within a specified budget in the areas where the company has demand from investors, people who want to build their single-family homes, and developers who want to develop residential and commercial buildings using the S2A modular factories. Please see the S2A website for a map of the locations where demand is driving our desire to purchase land for these factories. We would love to talk to you about any property that you think would be good for S2A. Thank you so much for your time.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.